So, hello, once again, I'm back, recording locally and streaming today on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and the streaming is on Twitch service. Let us check the stream if it's working properly before I will continue. So here we are, Vivaldi browser, Twitch. Let's listen to the voice. Perfect. So we stop. We pause and mute, and yeah, today we are on a new Linux distribution, literally new for me, first ever using it. Well, let me show you what it's all about by using the terminal once again. So yeah, as you can see, Rocky Linux 10.2. The rest of the system information you can pause and take a good look at your own pace, or the video when it will be available. You can pause the video. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 1440p, 2880 by 1800, running at 120 Hz. However, I'm using 1.4 scale. This was the default after the installation. And also pay attention that I'll show you the OBS settings soon, but still pay attention at the fact that I'm streaming and recording this native screen resolution and 30 FPS. So yeah, let's hide the terminal for now, and let's go back to the OBS settings as I promised. Here we are, native screen resolution, 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC for the audio, FMPEG VAB8264 for the video, 16,000 bitrate, and for the file I'm using MKV. Hopefully everything is working properly on your end. And with OBS settings out of the way, let's, oops, misclicked there. Let's go back in the terminal. So basically, I just customized a little bit my Kitty terminal. Didn't have much time left before the stream, the recording. So I just customized the FishProm, the fast fetch, and other things related to the, like the colors to the terminal. And when you are selecting stuff, you know, the basic stuff that I have been doing while I'm trying to customize my operating systems, my Linux distributions, when I'm testing them. And speaking of which, I haven't given any customization on the KDE Plasma. Some basic settings like virtual desktops and keybinds, etc. But the whole thing is going to happen later in the day. Before I will continue regarding KDE Plasma, let me show you what's Rocky Linux 10.2. First we will use DistroWatch. Rocky Linux is a community enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug for bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL basically, the acronym. It is available for the x86 64 and ARCH64 processor architectures. And this is the official website here, Rocky Linux. Enterprise Linux, the community way. Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug for bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Rocky Linux is under the intensive development by the community. And they say a few things about it, of course, on the official website, so just go ahead and read them yourself. When you click on the download, you get to see various versions of it. They are talking about default images, DVD ISO, boot ISO, minimal ISO, cloud images, Docker, desktop workstation, etc., etc. Give me a moment. Sorry for this, I'm back. Little intermission. Anyway, so for everyone who knows about these things, you can go ahead and try your own. They have multiple desktop environments. I'm using KDE Plasma, but they have GNOME, for example, as well. But anyway, I digress. They have also a Rocky Linux wiki about Rocky Linux, a community-driven enterprise Linux distribution, stable enough for the largest enterprise to rely on it, and community-driven to ensure it stays accessible to all. And also you can find about it in the Wikipedia page. Rocky Linux is a free and open source Linux distribution developed by Rocky Enterprise Software Foundation, which is a privately owned benefit corporation that describes itself as a self-imposed not-for-profit. Yada yada yada. Plenty of good information to be had. Supposedly this Linux distribution is the only one that supports DaVinci Resolve Studio, and most probably the free version as well, by Blackmagic, I mean the company. They think that only this one is officially the version of Linux that you should run their DaVinci Resolve Studio, and we will put that to the test in the days ahead. I'll go once again back to the terminal. I closed it before, it seems, my bad. So let's do that again. I want you to pay attention. I forgot to mention this. The kernel is somewhat old, is 6.12 something. However, the KDE Plasma, it's not that far behind. I think it's even newer than what was the other Linux distribution that I tried the other day. Anyway, I don't recall at the moment. The thing is that the KDE Plasma is not far behind. I think it was MX Linux. Yes, MX Linux that I tried a few days ago. That had even older of KDE Plasma version. So I guess it's so and so in the mix. Some stuff are new, others are not so new, but yeah. So far I had no issues. I have to mention this. Installing my usual software that I like to install, like for example Flatseal, Vivaldi Browser, GIMP, but we'll return to them in the days ahead. No surprises with the system. I was able to upgrade it fully. It has a very easy method to upgrade, basically via the Discover app. When you have updates, they pop up in here, regardless of if they are Flatpaks or not. And I just had to enable, I think, yes, I had to enable only the FlatHub here. Just a checkmark, really, if I remember correctly, nothing fancy. So after that, I could get all the updates in here, and I was able to update the system, no problem whatsoever. One little thing that I noticed, it happened a few times, and I don't know why it happened. I think it was after the installation, after a boot or two after the installation, one of my boots anyway, between the updates, and it happened once or twice. Maybe it's some incompatibility with this laptop or something else were bothering the system. I had to shut down the system, press the power button to shut it down, and then press it again in order to boot up and allow me to properly log into the system. If it will keep happening, I will let you know, but other than that, no surprises. Installation was also somewhat kind of a new thing. Easy. Don't get me wrong. It was very easy. Just had a window with multiple choices, so to speak, and then I had to do, for example, which drive I wanted to install, which user. Very easy, but it was first time that I seen, or at least from memory, I think it was first time that I seen this. But easy nonetheless. And yeah, what else to mention? Oh yeah, inside in KDE global theme. They have this Fedora Dark and Fedora Lite, and Fedora is the default at the moment. So I'll just go with Fedora Dark for now. Apply, boom. So I don't know what's the difference between Breeze Dark and Fedora Dark, or Fedora and Fedora Lite. Maybe this Fedora is used when you set the theme to automatically switch between dark and light. I'm not sure. Anyway, I will for now stick with Fedora Dark because I can't stand the bright colors. My eyes are tired all the time. Anyway, oh god. I think I'm talking too much. I will have to stop now. Sorry, I don't want to keep this stream going on any longer, the video if you prefer. Anyway, as always, if you enjoying or hate what you see, follow, unfollow, subscribe, don't subscribe, leave a comment, don't leave a comment in Kick, Twitch or YouTube Live, or on my channel, on my YouTube Live, on my YouTube channel, sorry. Whatever. So yeah, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.